Jai Jagannath. Hello everyone. These days it's too hot in Bhubaneswar, isn't it? I can remember when I was younger, the weather used to be so pleasant here. We used to enjoy our summer mornings and evenings. Now, when our standard of living has improved, our lifestyles have changed significantly. While we are running fast in this ever-changing world, we need to do our bit to protect and nurture our environment. So first, I urge everyone to stay hydrated and follow the necessary safety measures to fight off the heat this summer. And let's start and be a part of initiatives to plant more trees and have more greenery. To overcome water scarcity, our foremost focus should be on conserving water resources. Also, let's remember that animals and birds also suffer during this heat. The least we can do is make a bowl of water accessible for them in and around our homes. Believe me, together we can make a difference. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.